So everybody, welcome back to the Bourbon and Boost YouTube channel. We're actually up here at Ohio Valley. We're coming up here doing a bracket race, Saturday night bracket race. We're gonna try to do some testing. We got the whole group back here and some. We got a really ugly guy that way. We'll film him in a minute. Luckily he stopped and got me some trans fluid because somehow I used all the trailer. But we're gonna go up through tech here in a minute. The car seems to be ready. We got the whole pit set up. We're bougie now, according to Steve. And we got pit mat and all. So we're gonna get up to tech and hopefully we can get to make a pass soon. So we'll see y'all here soon. So it was at that moment that there was some cussing going off in my head. So unfortunately we had a little mishap where something was wired back. What was it? Dome pressure sensor?
No,
the boost fill and vent was backwards. We went to make a pass, it bogged. Didn't want to come up on boost. We've been fighting it. We didn't know what it was. I would blame my wiring guy, but you know, everybody makes mistakes. So we're gonna get back up there and hopefully this fixes it. We can actually make a full pass. So we'll see what happens now. So, much better pass. I still pussyfooted it and only went 80% throttle after pedaling it because it shattered the tires off the line because we didn't have enough power in it. The converter is definitely still too tight. We know that. There ain't really much we can do, but we're going to try to turn it up. We'll pull the trans when we get home. But it was much better. I won't say where we went, but I let off before the 8th mile and it still went pretty decent. So we're going to go back up, try again. Steve turned it way up now. Hopefully it'll quit chattering the tires off the line and just hook and roll. So we'll see this time up, and when we get home we'll try to fix some of the other stuff. So I ain't scared, I'll do it. So pass number, I don't know, but we're done for the day. 6, 5,
That was
4.
four.
Getting better, but we got a small trans brake issue. It's holding up again, so we're gonna have to take trans out, which we already had to take trans out to get the right converter because the converter is way too tight. We knew it was too tight. We figured we're gonna try to get the suspension lined out, so that's what we did. It is flying, it feels good, it doesn't feel out of control. So now we're gonna get home, pull the transmission, get a converter coming, possibly get the transmission fixed, hopefully. Hopefully get back to the track soon. Any words of wisdom from Steve? Let's see. Steve, any words of wisdom?
Over here.
Go fast, don't die. Can't think of any
Words to live by.
Don't eat yellow snow. Yeah, don't eat yellow snow. Never put your finger I was here to say that, not stopping this.
I don't know if y'all heard that, but all right, guys. Till next time, we're gonna pack up and we'll see you later.
Hey, hit the